Hi guys, can have another go at doing one of the planes from this Create and Fly paper planes pack that comes with stickers and pre-printed sheets of paper. 10 planes to make, but it's 4 designs, so it's 10 sheets of paper. 10 with the stuff printed on them, and then 5 plain sheets of paper and the stickers. I think my grandsons have had a go at some of these, which is why that one looks bent. I did this one, Thunderstrom, as it says there, although when you find the actual folded bit of paper, it calls it the Thunderstreak. And we'll have a go at doing this Hurricane Hawker. I had a brief look at this yesterday, and I couldn't quite follow the instructions, but I'll try again. Because those instructions don't seem to match this. Fold 1 is up the middle, no problem. Fold 2, that shows it right up there, whereas on the diagram it shows it going from up there to down there somewhere. So, a little confused about that. Certainly can do the easy bit. That one, not a problem. It's this next one that doesn't make sense. It appears to go from about there down to about there somewhere. So we're going to have to guess this a little bit. It may end up slightly different to the designed one. That puts a fold line there which doesn't match with any of those. Some pencil. So we can get the other side the same. Down there. So that would appear to be there. It looks like that picture there. But that doesn't make any sense. No. Doing that doesn't give us that. I'm not understanding this. Those instructions aren't working for me, so I'm going to actually fold up one of the original sheets, because I can't see any way of going from that to that. Try and make these line up so the lines on the bottom of the sheet line up with the lines on the top of the sheet, and they don't. Never mind. So that was fold 2. I didn't do fold 1. Let's do fold 1. I've got the door open. You can hear all the work going on outside. One of our neighbours is having a new hard standing for his car. Yeah, that doesn't line up. I've got that spot on edge to edge and it doesn't line up with the print. So the message is, don't worry too much about the print, I suppose. Fold 3. It looks more like that. Got that bit flapped over. Fold the point. Hang on. No, this isn't step by step. Here's fold 4. That's a shame, that is, because the other one I did worked absolutely fine following the folding instructions on there, but this one isn't. This one's definitely having to go from the folds on the diagram, not on the pre-printed page, although they don't line up top to bottom. Look at that, there's a great gap there. Fold 8. Fold 7. I reckon is that going to be in or out? Oh, hang on, I missed fold 6. Fold 6 is that. That does fit in, although it's fold 6 is action number 4 on there. They're not lining up. They're not lining up. Alright, we'll just have to make do. That's what I'm saying, they're just not lining up. That fold 8 is supposed to line up with that fold 8. But I'm folding it on fold 6. They haven't printed it front and back perfectly aligned, so they're just not lining up. Do we have all the folds on the inside or the outside? It's got to be that way. Sure. Might be why my grandsons abandoned doing them, because they weren't making sense. And that is the end result, but that's not the right diagram. Bits of it are right and bits of it are not. Alright, we'll see if it flies. Summary time. It flies fairly well. It does have a tendency to do a barrel roll if I don't launch it quite right. And those instructions, they were hopeless. I ended up using one of the original sheets and following the fold lines. And they were misleading because you fold it, and when you fold it on the other side, the line should match up for the next fold, and they weren't lining up properly. So that was a bit disappointing. But the plane itself does seem to fly. Not the best one we've done. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.